JB Nutrition. Welcome to the world of JB Nutrition, where wellness meets deliciousness. If you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier lifestyle, filled with scrumptious meals and a renewed sense of vitality, you've come to the right place. With JB Nutrition, we believe that nourishing your body should never mean compromising on taste. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, revitalize your well-being, and discover a new way to truly enjoy the power of nutritious eating. So, buckle up and get ready to savor the flavors of health with JB Nutrition. Please subscribe, share, and comment. 21 uses and benefits of eggplant. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a versatile vegetable with numerous uses and health benefits. Here are 21 uses and benefits of eggplant. Nutrient-rich. Eggplant is low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Weight management. Its high fiber content helps promote satiety and can aid in weight management. Heart health. Eggplant is a good source of potassium and antioxidants, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain health. The phytonutrients in eggplant, especially niacin, may protect brain cells from oxidative damage and improve cognitive function. Digestive health. The fiber in eggplant promotes a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation. Diabetes management. Eggplant has a low glycemic index and contains compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. Bone health. Eggplant is a source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are important for bone health. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that compounds in eggplant may have anti-cancer effects and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Skin health. Eggplant contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promote a healthy complexion. Eye health. The anthocyanins in eggplant can help improve vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Anti-inflammatory effects. Certain compounds in eggplant, such as niacin, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Respiratory health. Eggplant contains compounds that may help alleviate respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Liver health. The antioxidants in eggplant can support liver health and protect against liver damage. Hydration. Eggplant has a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Cholesterol management. Eggplant contains compounds that may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidants in eggplant can help combat oxidative stress and protect against premature aging. Hair health. Eggplant is a good source of nutrients like vitamins A, B, and E, which are beneficial for hair health and growth. Culinary versatility. Eggplant can be used in various dishes, such as stir-fries, curries, dips, like baba ganoush, and even as a meat substitute in vegetarian or vegan recipes. Skincare. Applying eggplant topically or using it in face masks can help improve skin texture, reduce blemishes, and brighten the complexion. Improved digestion. Eggplant's high fiber content aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut. Versatile cooking ingredient. Eggplant can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, or used in stews, making it a versatile and flavorful addition to many recipes. From its culinary uses to its array of health benefits, eggplant is a fantastic vegetable to incorporate into your diet for overall well-being. Thank you for watching this video and do us a favor by sharing, comment and subscribing.